Hi there, my name's Ryan. This is a demonstration of the IBM Watson SDK for Unity. We're going to do some speech-to-text and text-to-speech with a basic agent named MacKenzie here. So let's jump into it.
Hello, welcome to IBM Watson Unity Voicebox.
Hi there. Echo, my name is Ryan Anderson.
My name is Ryan Anderson.
Voicebox.
My voice is my passport.
Voicebox increase the rate.
Voice traits have been modified.
Voicebox increase the pitch.
Voice traits have been modified.
Voicebox increase the pitch.
Voice traits have been modified.
Voicebox reset, please.
Voice traits have been modified.
Thank you. What's the status?
I am in mode Listen Learn, and there are 565 utterances in the transcript log. Voicebox settings. Pitch is 0 Hz. The speech rate is 0. And the glottal tension is 0.
Change mode to diagnostic, please. Change the mode to diagnostic mode, please.
Diagnostic mode engaged.
Thank you. What's your status now?
I am in mode Diagnostic, and there are 573 utterances in the transcript log. Voicebox settings. Pitch is 0 Hz. The speech rate is 0. And the glottal tension is 0.
That's a lightweight demo. So we've got some echo functions in here, voicebox settings that you can verbally manipulate, basic status, and also shifting the mode between dialogue, listen-learn mode, conversational mode, and a factoid mode as well. So what we've basically done is have used the example streaming template code and merged text-to-speech into the speech-to-text. So we've made some changes up here. The declarations for username and password for speech-to-text, we've added suffixes on them to differentiate the two of them. And you can see now if we go back into Unity, in the inspector, for example, streaming, you can see that they're over here. Username, speech-to-text, password, and URL for speech, and text-to-speech back going the other way. And you can see we've got the for results field is where we're getting our text from, which are defined in our canvas up here. So that's it for now, just a first sort of a step. I'll post this, this code in my GitHub repo. Most of the work here has been done nesting the conditional triggers within, let's go down here a little bit more, right here. It's a bit of a hack, but we're basically, once we get the return text from the speech-to-text, we're running a bunch of conditional statements in here to drill in and make modifications or switch mode based on that. So whether it's a talkback or just simply going in and changing from diagnostic mode to listen mode to conversational mode and factoid mode. But this will give us a good jumping off point for the next lab. But thanks for watching.